In this video, we will show you the latest information about Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge has built a new feature called Picture in Picture. This is very useful if you're watching a video like on YouTube. As you can see, I will playing video on YouTube, and this is the new feature called Picture in Picture. You can just click this Picture in Picture features to make the video floating, and by default the floating will in the bottom right corner. So this is very useful when you minimize the browser. Okay, like YouTube Premium, if you ever using on the Android or iOS, as you can see, you can back to tap when you want to back into the default. Okay, this picture in picture, you can get the update by clicking the settings on your Microsoft Edge. Okay, how to do that? I already update my Microsoft Edge. You can just click settings in three dot button here and select settings. After that, just select about Microsoft Edge. The update will automatically download, and after that we can just click restart. I'm very happy with this new feature because we can work with watching a YouTube video or listen to the music. For example, you open another browser like Google Chrome, so you can get picture in picture here. Okay, so you can minimize the Microsoft Edge, and you can using another browser, or even you can using Microsoft Word like that. And that's all the latest information about Microsoft Edge that has new feature called picture in pictures, and this is very useful. Thanks for watching.